What if I told you there's a bird that uses tools to find food? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about the amazing Australian brown treecreeper. This bird is found in eastern Australia. It thrives in eucalyptus woodlands. Brown treecreepers are known for their unique feeding habits. They use sticks to pry bark off trees. This technique helps them find insects to eat. Unlike many birds, they forage on the ground. They are also very social, living in small family groups. Brown treecreepers help control insect populations. Their presence indicates a healthy environment. Have you ever noticed a bird using tools? Now you know one that does. Hit the like button if you found this useful.